Hey guys, another video for our vending machines in Japan playlist at this shop called the Dolphin shop. Thought we'd better go inside and see what was in there. And there's these vending machines, which are obviously Dolphin vending machines, similar to the puppy vending machines we showed you previously. They're branded machines, so basically they're drink machines that have been branded with the images and the name of the fun park that they're in. Just another clever incentive by the vending machine companies, apparently. Hope someone found that interesting, if not a little relieving. More videos coming soon.